Hello motorsport enthusiasts. Let's talk about a widely debated practice, the famous freewheeling technique in the world of cars. For those who are not familiar, freewheeling occurs when you put the car in neutral while descending a downhill terrain. Now, why do we call it freewheeling? Well, the explanation lies in mechanics. When the car is in gear, the gears are interconnected like teeth because, as the name suggests, gears have teeth. When you put the car in neutral, you are disengaging these gears, hence the nickname freewheeling when going downhill. However, whether you're driving a manual or an automatic transmission car, this practice is, in most cases, useless and even detrimental. In the past, when cars had carburetors, it made sense to use freewheeling as it kept the engine idling and saved fuel. But nowadays, with electronic fuel injection, putting the car in neutral during a descent increases fuel consumption. When you keep the car in gear, whether it's a manual transmission or the drive position of an automatic, the wheels are connected to the engine, and the engine continues to rotate, driven by the wheels. In this case, the electronic fuel injection does not need to provide additional fuel to keep the engine idling because the movement of the wheels itself keeps the engine running. Therefore, in summary, coasting in neutral, freewheeling, makes the electronic fuel injection continue to supply fuel, while keeping the car in gear does not require this unnecessary fuel expenditure. So, it's better to avoid freewheeling in most situations. If you enjoyed this video and want to receive notifications for the upcoming ones in this series, don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon. And remember that I'm also on Instagram, in addition to YouTube. Thank you, and see you in the next video.